Yo. Oh. What's up, gamers? Sorry, that was a little bit of a cringy introduction. All right, boys, what's going on? I just watched Miskiv rappel down a building, and that was pretty cool. I kind of wanna, well, I really wanted to do that too. Wanna do that too now, I guess. What do I want to listen to? This one. Gimme. Oh, that is loud. Oh, okay. Okay. Yo. Kind of a short stream today because I'm a little... Yeah, it's a little late for me. And I kind of want to chill. But I definitely wanted to do something today, so... Yeah, I kind of didn't have the most productive day otherwise. Alright. Now, today, the plan is... We will add roofs to the houses. Maybe just to test it, like 2 different types of roofs. I already got some ideas for that. And what we will do is add probabilities to different windows, or well, different, I guess, items, you know, like the window with the curtains should be more rare, for example. The empty windows should be much more common than the rest. And yeah, that's what I want to do. Technically, I can already do that by just putting the same sprite multiple times into the list, which I've done, I think, last stream, just to test it. But that's shit. You know, I don't want to do that. I want to be able to adjust one value, and that's it. So I already thought about that a little bit, how I can do that. Yeah. And that's the plan for today. And then I'm gonna end stream. Oops, wrong button. Okay, and there we are. So yeah, let's begin with the probabilities, I think, because that's what I can do easier, quicker. The fuck, I have so much shit here. Settings, what is all this? Let's make, I don't know, player? Nah, fuck. Okay, with world, we have the building generator. Oh! Wait, no, I did that last stream. Yeah, never mind. I thought for some reason I didn't show how I created all those buildings. So, in case you're new here, where is it here? Structure. And then we don't need that anymore, I think. Right? Yeah. And that. We don't need all these anymore. Bam. And bam. Okay. So you can just drag it in and it becomes a building. Which is fucking sick. Yeah. And that's that. Now I was thinking about maybe doing something like snapping, but I think that's not that important yet. The next thing I want to do is the probabilities, yeah. The giving, you know, different kinds of sprites, different probabilities to appear. So first of all, I need a new script. The question is, what am I gonna call this script? So this is gonna be kind of an object that's gonna be in the list, and all this object contains is one sprite and one value, basically, which is gonna be the probability value. Well, actually, yeah, what I was thinking about, because it's kind of hard to have this one value be there and then randomly choose out of a list, like, because I have a list, you know, like, I don't know, it's hard to just give certain slots in that list a certain probability to be chosen, because especially I'm only choosing a random slot in that list with by choosing a random number. So what I was thinking about, I just, you know, pick a random object in the list, and that object will have a value attached to it that will be like, yo, I can only be used if in, like, for example, the last 5 drawings, basically, you know, the last 5 times it drew a window, if it didn't draw the same sprite, you know. So then you guarantee that it won't draw that window too often, you know. Or yeah, you could just, yeah, and then you can just change the value to 10, for example, and make it even more rare and stuff like that. So what do I call this script now, or this object, I guess, that is gonna be the list object. Let's call it sprite object. No, yeah, I don't know. No, no, that's wrong. Not sprite object. Dude, I'm so bad with names. Let's just call it sprite to draw. No, I don't know. Fuck, dude. Draw sprite. Oh, dude, I'm so bad with names. I cannot think of anything that makes sense. I wanna pick something that is actually kind of, you know, makes sense. I don't know. So I'm gonna go sprite, and then to draw. No. Sprite probability? No, I don't know, man. Yeah, let's call it sprite to draw. Whatever, who cares? How do you do that? I think you remove the mono behavior, and then you're like, yo, because I think mono behavior can only exist with an object, right? So we just be like, yo, bam. How do you... I forgot how to code normally, dude. Sprite to draw. Like, how do you do that thing? Fuck. How do you do that again? Shit. Class? No. No, that creates a new class. Bro, how do you fucking code normally? Usually. Be quick, we need that. Okay. Okay. I forgot all the words, dude. How do you call this stuff? So I create a class, and then I have the thing that gets called, or that creates, fuck, dude, I don't know, man. Is it like, is that enough? That does not feel enough. Like, it's enough. Void? That makes no sense. Yeah, obviously. Fuck, dude. I mean, it doesn't say it doesn't work, so I don't know, maybe it's right. Okay, wait. Oh, wait, I think it's just public, right? I think that's right. Okay, so it will require a... If I even need that. Do I need that? We'll see, we'll see. We will require a sprite. The sprite Or can I call it sprite lowercase? Or is that a problem? No, it's all good. And a integer well, or no, rarity. Yeah, rarity. That's called rarity. Okay. That's gonna be private. Oops. Sprite. And private int rarity. So this dot sprite equals sprite. This dot rarity equals rarity. Oops. Come on. Bam. Yeah, that's all, pretty much. Straight up. Straight up, that's all. So now we go here. Can I go here real quick? This makes no sense that it's in here, by the way. Can I move it back to the other place? Can I like bam? No. How do I move it, actually? I don't even... Oh, right here. Boom. Okay, so yeah, that's the problem. We have a bunch of shit because I just repeated it like a lazy person. Let's delete that. Actually, I'm gonna delete it anyway, so yeah. Where's the list? Where is the list? God, yo, what the heck is that song now? It was so good until that point. Am I blind? Where's the? This is the list here. Sprite. Door sprites, window sprites. I'm gonna give it to both of them. So sprite to draw. Sprite to draw. That will not work, unfortunately, but it's only this part. So we need to handle this differently now, of course. Okay, just so we know it works, so I'm gonna do... Oh shit. Yeah, that doesn't work. Gonna be like dot. Oh, oh yeah, I didn't have. Yeah, I'm stupid. I didn't make it create a way to do that. So wait. Couldn't you do like get and set methods or some shit? I forgot how to do that in C#. Or in general, honestly. I think it was a pretty easy way to give them the option to just be getted, you know. I'm just gonna do it manually real quick. Get sprite. Bam, bam. Turn sprite. Get rarity. Return rarity. Oops, rarity. For now, just so this works, we're gonna do get. Oh, so Windows sprites. Yeah, I'm stupid. Dot get sprite. Just so this compiles. Same here. Okay, this should compile now, right? No. Object at index 0 is null. Yeah, this obviously is empty. What's the problem? It doesn't even let me open it. Okay, cool. That's great. I don't even... From when is this error message? So this... Yeah, this compiles. So... Why does this not even show up? Am I stupid? Does it not compile, or... Does it not work? Huh. Can I open this this script or something? This class, whatever. Not really, I don't know. It's weird. Okay, how about we delete this part and this part, and we just change this to public. Oops. And then we are like, yo, just get the sprite. I feel like I broke the script. How the fuck did that happen? The entire script just doesn't... Why? I'm in the... Huh. Just to make sure, let's add like public test for no reason. Yeah, that works. So it really doesn't want to show these things here, which is sad. That's pretty shit. That sucks. I had hoped it would like give me a list of those sprite to draw objects and then allow me to fill in the parameters. The values. Apparently it doesn't, which is sad. But I feel like it should, I don't know. I feel like there is a way. Maybe there isn't, huh? What if I do a public... No, that shouldn't work. But we'll see. Try to draw test. Yeah, that obviously doesn't work. Is there a way to attach a value to objects in a list? C# attach value to objects in list. Add values to list of objects. What? Add values to list of objects? Wait, I'm not sure if that's what I'm looking for. What are they doing even? I don't know. Yeah, I think they obviously just use normal coding, which technically this works, but I want to be able to edit it from the editor, which I'm not, which sucks. What if I add mono behavior back? That's not gonna work, huh? Probably. It actually works. That's no way. Aww. Okay. But it does that. Okay. That's sad. But is there a way to do it? I don't even know why it works this way. Like why? That's... Oh, I guess I do know. I don't know. Huh. This is actually way more complex than I thought then. Music's good today. I don't know. I'm kind of vibing with it. I could add the probability into the name and just extract it from the name. That would be a little bit stupid, but I guess it would work. That way I don't have to worry about it, you know. So if I just change it back to sprite. Come on. Oop. Yeah, we don't need that anymore. Okay, and then the idea is, so we go back to textures. Where is it? Word, structure, okay. We have 6 stars, 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, I can just 6. Okay, that's way easier. Okay, let's close that. Bam, okay. Now, let's make a new function here. Sprite get sprite. That sounds wrong. Choose sprite. And then add a list of sprites. Sprites. Okay, and then return. But I have nothing to return yet. Okay, so instead of this part, okay. What the heck is this? Door position. Door position is determined here, okay. And this part we do this, okay. That's okay. What do we do here? Okay. Just had to remember my code. Now, when we choose the sprite, we will need to read out the sprite's name, the file name. Let's see if we can do that. So, first of all, yeah, let's get sprites at position, and then we get this one, random range thing. Alright, so we don't have to write that again. Sprites.count. How the fuck did that happen? There was a comma. Yeah. What's the issue, huh? Let's fucking relax. How about that? Dot. Name. Name of the object. Interesting. Is that the name we're looking for? I think it is, right? Because that would be window 1 and stuff like that, right? Not element 0, I hope. That should be it. Okay, that should return a string. So, string name. Wait. Sprite name equals that. We'll have to do a bunch of stuff to make get this to work. So first of all, let's see if we can get... Just gonna pretend the last value or something, is it? Maybe, I don't know. Maybe I put it before everything. In brackets or something. That would be useful. How do I cut something out again? I remember in one project I used that. That I cut out the ID. Yeah, that was in my Minecraft project. I cut out the ID from an object's name. Okay. So integer sprite rarity equals sprite name dot how do you do that again, dude? Substring. I think it's substring. Now let's see how substring works again. Actually, I think it's start index and end index, right? So let's just int length. Oh, okay, start index and then length. Oh, that sucks. That should be okay, actually. Okay. So sprite name dot, and then I wanna get the position of the first bracket open, you know. Index of, yeah, char value, nice. I assume this will return the first one, right? Oh no, wait, this is incorrect. Oh. Bracket open. And then the length will be yeah, what will the length be? And how is the length calculated? Okay, let's see. C# substring. Start index, we want the start index with length. The number of character in the substring. Okay. Okay, so basically we don't want the brackets in, so we just want the number in between the brackets. So that's what we're gonna have to remember. The thing is, we don't know how many digits a number has, so we need to dynamically check that. Which means, how do we do that? We can find out the sprite name dot index of the closed bracket. Okay, can we? Yeah, it's all good. That would be. So let's say we have 2-digit number, then that would be 4, right? Because this is 1. This is 4. So we subtract 2 from that to subtract the brackets. If I get that right. -2. Okay. Now I have to convert that to an integer. Which way does this work again? Dot to string? No, what? Up to this returns a string. And we need that substring as an integer. How does this work again? No. String to in? No, what? Convert. How do you... Feels super right now. Okay. Convert string to int. Oh. Why is this so much? There should be one simple fucking way of doing that. Try parse? Is it that? Try parse. Converts the string representation of... Okay. Yeah, I think that's it. So... Boom. And then we are like... Oh. Yo, try parse. Fuck, dude. Int 32. Oh, dude, I don't... Okay. Whoop. We need to... use the entire system. For some reason, that's not by default. Wait. Int 32 dot try parse. Damn. This string into sprite rarity. Am I doing it wrong? Yo, what the heck is going on here? Try parse string to int32. Oh, out in. Okay, sorry. Out. What's going on here? Oh, god damn it. God damn it, system. Are you kidding me now? Really, dude? Okay. Sure, I'm just gonna continue using the unit. What's the difference between system random and Unity random? I'm just gonna keep with the Unity engine random. I think I use it here too. Cool. That's great. Unity engine. Okay. Oh my gosh, dude. I've used it so much. Are you kidding me? Can't I just make a general statement in the beginning that all the randoms are from Unity engine or something? Okay. And then we... Oh my gosh, and then we have to use that and determine shit. Damn. Okay, let's try this out. So this is just gonna be a void for now. Okay, and we are just gonna create a house as normal. And in the end or something, I don't know, we're gonna be like, yo, can you choose a sprite from this list? Oops, god damn it, from window sprites. Bam. And we're gonna see, oh wait, and we're gonna debug.log sprite rarity. Okay, and then we will have these motherfuckers beefings, you know. So okay, let's open this in Explorer. With all the windows. Let's rename this to window and in brackets A1. That's the rarity. This one will have a rarity of 5. This one will have a rarity of 1. Now I have to see the names, the windows. Window 4 has a rarity of 5. Five might be still way too common, but it's fine. I can change it anytime. Then we have 5, which is also 5. We have 6. Yeah, sure. That's all just 5. Actually, you know what? 6 is yellow flower. Let's make that a 10. The 7 is also a 10. And the 8 is a 15. Boom. Boom. Okay. Now, I would also like to know the sprite name, I think. So let's do this real quick. Oops. Oh, stupid. Rarity. Okay. A metadata file exists, but it's S. Oh shit! What did I do? What did I create? Wait, it's not true. It's all good, right? This seems to all be correctly aligned. Which? Okay. It's I don't know, I'm sure it's okay. There shouldn't be any metadata files without a fitting thing, you know, whatever. By the way, did this just get fucked? Yes. It immediately fucked everything, that's great. Although it shouldn't matter, but still. Okay, that's good to know. And read-write enabled. That is important. That did fuck everything. Impressive. But it's fixed. These are all fixed too? Yeah, good. Okay. Should work all. Everything should work. Now let's see. Index and length must refer to a location within the string. Oh, argument out of range exception. How the fuck did that happen? Oh. Okay, I see. No. Right. Yeah, I do. Oops, that was stupid. I see. I believe. Right? Yeah. I think I have to, because this is position 1, but we begin at position 0. Well, no, that's not a problem, but still. We need to remove one, you know. I think. We'll see. Let's try again. Basically, by the way, we can delete that. Did we get the same error, or did it just... Well, we didn't get what I wanted. Yeah. Why? Can you give me a location, please? Are you... Why? Is it because I'm executing it in the editor? And that's why it can't open the script for me and tell me where it's wrong? I mean, it's gotta be here, right? So we have this, and we want to create a substring. So we choose this position of the substring. We remove one. Oh, I'm stupid. No, wait, that's the length. That's okay. No, it's not okay. Yeah. That was the issue. Bro. Yeah, that was just me being stupid. I wrote this expecting basically this to be 0, because I thought I would put the brackets at the beginning of the name, which I wouldn't, or didn't end up doing. So I kind of fucked myself there. So what I need to do is remove this. I'm also gonna remove this just for testing purposes. I'm a little confused, to be honest. So what do we have to remove here? Basically this, right? We'll see how that turns out. I'm sure that's gonna be great. Oh yeah, by the way, let's set this to 0, because I think it's gonna throw an error if... Oh, what am I doing? Look at that! It did throw an error. I mean, we just foolproofed it, so it wouldn't, but... Yeah, window 8 was chosen, 15. so it should say rarity is 15, which it didn't. Okay, we know it works almost. So the... Okay, wait, where do I... Also my music stopped. So where do these things start? Oh, that's not the right one, this one. The 0 base starting character position of a substring in this instance. So I think the starting position should be the correct position immediately, right? Oh no, wait, I'm stupid. I need to get the index off, okay, yeah. String, oh, wait, see. Index off. Reports the 0-based index of the first occurrence of a specified Unicode character or string within this instance. The method returns -1 if the character or string is not found in this instance. Okay. Which means... This is a character, right? Yeah, it is. Which means this should return the right value automatically. Yeah. This 2, and then we remove this and we get... fuck. How do I... Okay, I need to paint. Okay, we have A, B, C, and then boom, and then 1, 2, and then boom. Okay, so it chooses this one, which would be 3. 0, 1, 2, 3. And then chooses this one, which would be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then it removes 3 of that. But yeah, whatever. Just don't... Yeah. Don't ignore that. So point is we have 3 now. 3 is the length, so we start from here. Oh, yeah, wait. Is this included or excluded? The start index, the 0 by starting character position of a substring in this instance. Is it included? Here is an example. This is a string, starting index 5, so 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Is. Okay, it's included. So that's our first mistake. We need to add 1. And then we start from here. So our length is 2, I guess, right? That's the length. So we need to subtract 1 from the length. That should do it. It worked! Look at that! It shows, it reads the rarity correctly. Boom. Get another 5. Now we have a 10. We have a 1. We have a 10. We have a 5. Cool. Okay, that works. That's pretty cool. Now we actually have to use it, which should be easy. So we don't need that anymore. Now we don't need that anymore. So this returns the correct rarity. Oh yeah, that's annoying. So what we have to do is keep track of what we place basically in a list. And then we have to go through like the 5 or 10 objects in the list that have been added last and compare them to the sprite we currently have. something like that, which is kind of cringe. But I mean, I guess we have to do that. Yeah. Okay. So let's add a private list of sprites. Can I compare sprites? I think, right? Like, yeah, I think the lists are created with references because sprites are more complex objects, basically. Should be that way, right? Used sprites. So, used sprites is a list that is how long? Oh no, wait. I don't have to define the length, I'm stupid. I'm stupid, okay. So this is just equals new list of sprites. And every time we use a sprite, which happens here, right? This is when we determine a sprite. We then use sprites.add. I hope I can add the same object multiple times. Should be, yeah, should work. Current window. Okay. So now all we have to do is be like, yo, oh, how do I check that? Used sprites. That. I think I can do a sublist or something. Was that possible? For each, maybe. Can I do for each sprite condition or something? And then condition is the position is a set position or something? I don't know. That would be the easiest, I think. So C# list for each. Okay, for each print. Can I do this with a condition? I don't do method that performs an action on the object passed. Oh yeah, I think that should be alright, right? No, wait. Huh. So the thing is, he just puts print and somehow this just prints it. Which just seems a little too easy, too simple. Okay. think I have to do the for each, the normal one. So, there's this for each loop, yeah. Oh, fuck you. Iteration statements. For each. So, how does this work again? Element for each element in this Fibonacci numbers. Console. Oops. What the heck is the $sign? What is that $sign? I'm confused. Huh? Or is this signifying like this is not an actual like string or something? It's just like, okay, that's weird. Cool, okay. Well, we know what we have to do. Okay, so for each sprite element, let's call it element in used sprites. Wait, can I even? No, I can't. I don't know the position. Oh. This is obviously just a sprite, so I don't know the position we are in currently, you know. So I would have to that as user for loop, which honestly I could have just done immediately, because why the fuck did I do that right now? This is just way more complex. So for equals, let's call it maybe a, because it's kind of dangerous if I have an integer I. Oh no, that should be alright, all good. 0 I is less than used sprites dot length count, sorry. We count it up, and then if use sprites at the position I is, oh no, wait, if I, oh wait, oh that's genius, right? We set, okay, we set I as use sprites dot count minus sprite rarity minus 1. Do I have to say minus 1? Count would be, yeah, I have to add minus 1. Minus 1. Yeah, that's so, dude, that saves us so much. So we automatically determine where it is. Yeah. Okay, so if it was, let's say sprite rarity was 0, then we would have sprite count. Oh. Okay, wait, that's interesting. No. Then we don't need that, right? Because let's say it's 1, and then we would have 1, it would run once. So I just realized that, oh, that's interesting. Yeah, 1 means it will check the last position. If the last position is the same, it won't do it. But that's actually not, okay, that's interesting. That's interesting. So we can have rarity 0, which means it can always be placed. Okay, that's interesting. I kind of build my own rarity without understanding it, basically. Okay. So, yeah. If use sprites at the position I, equals oh, I didn't determine the sprite itself, really. I just determined the sprite name. Okay, let's do that first. Sprite current sprite equals this shit. Bam. Bam. Current sprite. Current sprite. Could also compare the names, honestly, now that I think about it. Could just compare the names, which might be easier to compare. Probably. Ah, well, actually, never mind. Let's do it like this. This should work, right? Yeah. Then we continue at repeat or something. So we have repeat. Oh, that is absolutely not what I wanted to do. Repeat. This works, right? Yeah, okay. So then we go continue repeat. No? How does this work again? I forgot actually. Or was it jump straight up? No. Move? No. It was continue, right? No, stupid. Let's see. I did this somewhere in code. Maybe it was, oops, I don't need that anymore. I think it was in this project even. It was in combat, I believe. In punch. Go to. It was go to. I don't need that anymore. What the, oh. Not continue. Go to. Repeat. Say this lower uppercase. Yeah, that's it, right? But if we get through all this, then we return current sprite. This returns a sprite, and then we're just like, yo, just be like sprite current window equals choose sprite with the list of oops, with window sprites. Okay, let's see if that works. I feel like the rarity is a little bit tough. We'll see. Okay, let's clear the console. Oh no, no shot. What's the issue? Index was out of range. Must be none, negative, and less than the size of the collection. How did that happen? Can we, No, of course not. Why does it never tell me where this error occurred? Oh wait, here. Building on a choose sprites. No. Okay. Well, we know this part works. So it must be this loop. Which means I'm at used sprites.count. Oh. So if this is 0, then it will never run. If this is 1, then we will have 1 run, which would be the last one, right? The last one in the... Yeah, that should work. What's the issue? Use sprites.count. Okay. I don't get the issue. Okay. Did I do something wrong? So this is exclusive, which is why I don't have a -1 here. So this should work, the random range. Intentionally use the Unity engine one. Now current window, that should all work. We choose a sprite, we go here, we choose a sprite, the sprite name, we get the sprite name, we yeah, we get the sprite rarity, we get this. Okay, say we have oh, I'm stupid. Of course, in the beginning the list is empty. Yeah, this use sprite list obviously is empty. I'm stupid. And also, like, if we are on like sprite 4 sprites used and we get a rarity 5, then we also get out of bounds. Okay, so we have to check if it even works, you know. So what do we do? If the list is empty and we do count, I assume we get 0, right? So how do we do this? How do we do this? Okay, I know now. Can I use a for loop with an integer that I determined before that? I can, right? Should be possible. So let's say this is just I, and we are like int I equals. Let's test that. That doesn't work. Oh, that works? No shot. What? That looks so wrong. I mean, maybe it works. I don't know. We'll see. That feels so wrong. So what is I? I is... okay, wait. Let's go all the way back, actually. Because I feel like I might have just messed up all the way. Okay. Let's see. I just had a good thought. I is use sprites count minus rarity, and that number we have, what do we remove from it? Let's say use sprites count is 0. Minus rarity would mean we go, like, for example, for rarity 5, we go into -5, which obviously doesn't work. So then we have to find out, okay, how much bigger is rarity than count? And only if it's bigger, right? Only if it's bigger, or yeah, we remove all the excess from it, basically, somehow. So I guess for -5 we would have to add 5 again, which we determine by adding the rarity minus... fuck, that shit doesn't work. What the heck am I doing? Dude, what the how is this so hard? Let's write it down. Oh, where's my mouse, dude? Where's my fucking... oh, bro. Okay. So we got 0 minus 5 is -5, and then basically have... this is rarity, this is the length of the use sprites. So basically we go -5, we wanna go to 0, which we do by adding 5, or removing -5, which means the same thing. Dude. I think I can clamp the value, actually. I can just clamp it. How does clamp work again? C# int clamp or something, I don't know. Math clamp. Is there an example or something? That's not an example? What are you? Okay, I guess not. This is so much, okay. Returns value clamped to the inclusive range min and max. Well, good thing you didn't put min and max, but u integer 64, u integer 64, and u integer 64. Thanks, that's very helpful. Oh yeah. Okay, we have the value here, and then we minimum and maximum. Can I only do a minimum? No, I don't think so. No, I don't think so. I mean, maybe I can. We'll see. So that would be the easiest thing. So I just take this value. Bam, I say, yo, math.clamp. Okay, mathf.clamp, which is value, minimum, maximum, and that's value. Oh, okay. That's not what we need. Minimum is 0. What's the maximum? use sprites count. I mean, the maximum is irrelevant. It's never gonna matter. Okay, so that should work. That is the easiest way to do that. So boom. It's clear. Bam! And it didn't throw an error, which is pretty cool. Let's see. So we never have those windows. Okay, this is a bad example. I feel like I need a thicker, a wider one. Alright. Now we had this one, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then we have this one. We have a lot between those, so definitely the curtains have become very rare. Now one thing I want to change is... did I wish I was able to just rename them here? Maybe I am? Nope. Oh. Oh. Okay. So I go to textures, I go to world. Okay, I think renaming them in Unity handles all the issues. So I will try to do that. So we say 0 here. Okay, yeah, that all automatically adjusts that. That's pretty good. Also, I want this to be low-key. Let's rename you to window 3 real quick. And you are window 2. Because this is bugging me. Okay. Now you also, which I forgot to change, have a rarity of 0. Okay. Now that should change a lot of things. And the building generate... boom. Okay, that's not a good example. Boom. Yeah, now we have 2 of those windows next to each other, which is now possible. We still have a lot of those, though. Ah, yeah, yeah. The issue is in the first... Pretty much... Yeah, I don't know. Yeah, I'm stupid. I would almost have to randomly choose 8 elements to fill in the list before I start. I think I do that. I think that would make it better. Yeah, okay, wait. Okay, let's do that. No, wait, 8? 8 seems stupid. Kind of. Because 8 resets everything. What do I do? Maybe just 5. Try it out. Ah, that's so stupid though. Actually, 8 might be fine. Okay, let's see. So right when we do everything here, current sprites .add is this shit.
So do you want to help me with this?
My pleasure.
So
What the heck is that?
Frequently.
That'll get you a kick.
Okay. How do we do this? Here. For Windows sprites.count. Oh wait. Stupid. And I is less than Windows sprites.count and god damn it, come on. I plus plus. Used sprites dot add choose sprite from window sprites. Let's see how well that works. So we pre-fill it a little bit so we don't get, well, basically those first rows to be filled with other rares immediately. Bam. Bam. Okay, get a couple of rares. Get a couple of rares. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Damn. It do be like that sometimes, but I feel like rarity of 5, isn't that like the last 6 cannot... Oh, it's actually different. Oh, yeah. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4... Wait, what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 in between. Yeah. Yeah, right? Yeah. So this guy checks... Basically... So 0 would not check. 1 would check the last one. 2 would check the last 2. 3 would check the last 3. 4 would check the last 4. 5 would check the last 5. Which this does, and it worked. Okay. Now, we did get a couple of windows here. Yeah, that's all. That is intended. We definitely need to increase the rarity of everything, pretty much. Pretty much of everything. Textures, world structure. Okay, let's say the flowers have all rarity of 10. 10. Oh, that's window. Oh, the yellow flowers already are way less common. Okay, let's give them 15. 15 is so rare though. Let's keep it 10 for them too. Maybe like a 12. Let's keep it 10 for them for now. This one is at 20 now. Okay, we don't need you anymore. Bam. Okay, let's see. What do we got here? Are you wanna tell me in... Bro. But we get a lot less flowers and we only got 1 curtain. No, we got 2 curtains. Damn. There's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. Okay, yeah, that was just lucky. I actually realized that it's... no, it's fine, actually, never mind. Okay. We definitely see the rarity making a difference, yeah. That's actually pretty good. Like if we compare it to these, I mean, to be fair, these were manually changed, the rarity. These are also pretty good, but that's because I just increased the likeliness that a window is just empty. Which I indirectly did here too. What if I increase all the flowers to 15? Because I have 4 different kinds of flowers, so it wouldn't be that bad, you know. I see the curtains very rarely because it's only 1 curtain object, but I have 4 flower objects. So they all get 15. Dude, I wanted this to be a short stream and I'm already 1.5 hours in, dude. Bam! Oh, I didn't even see that one. Okay, let's just slap a couple of buildings in here. Wow, whoa, that was a lucky one, yeah. Got 3 big ones and then a very tiny one. Okay, look at that. Those flowers are a lot less common now. Well, not a lot. That's probably an overstatement. Here you can see it very well, yeah. 4 empty ones. Almost an entire row of empty ones. Okay, I'm very happy with this one. Let's delete all those houses. Let's add new ones. So, boom! Oh, that's a big house. It's a big-ass house. Dude, the fucking sizes. Oh, well, it's okay. Okay, now we take all those houses and we tell them they are at minus 0.5. Not 0.05, oops. And then we drag them all into world, right? Yeah. Would you look at that? Why the fuck did the game lag? This game should not be able to lag. That should not happen, ever. How the fuck did that happen? Let's see if that happens again, or if that was like a... I think that was just the engine, quick. Being like, yo, wait a minute. For some reason it confuses my eyes. Oh yeah, I know why. The background. That is what confuses me so much. The background is still. It moves with me. That's so irritating, actually. It's crazy. It's crazy how irritating that is. What if we change the background really quick? Where's the main camera? To solid color. Is that better? A little bit. Definitely less confusing on the eyes, I don't know. Although it's still kind of... Well, but it's a lot better now, yeah. The background moving with the player was kind of weird. Still, I don't know, maybe I'm too fast as the character and that's why my eyes are a little annoyed. I like that. That looks good. Yo, do you see that? That was the high jump you can do with boxes, which I kind of like that that's a possibility if you have, you know, if you're good enough you can do that. Okay. Now, that's pretty cool. That works. I guess we didn't get to do the roofs, but that is how it be sometimes. Yeah, we leave solid color for now because the background is a little confusing. Those buildings are pretty big that I gotten in this. Okay. Did I even change the rarity of the curtains again? I could make them rarer, more rare, because it's fine, I think. Maybe I could add more curtains. Give them the same rarity. Or like both, give them both a 25 rarity. The thing is, obviously, if I add 2 curtains, to achieve the same rarity of curtains, I technically would have to double the rarity. From 20 to 40 on both. Which would probably mean on small houses I would never get curtains. Which, I mean, who cares? Actually, who cares? I do like how the door works so well, you know. It's such a simple, it's a one line of code just, and it just perfectly always inserts a door. I mean, it has to, so it's kind of obvious that it works, but I like that it was so not very complicated, you know. Alright, gamers, I see you tomorrow. Have a good night. Well, you probably, I don't know if you see, yeah, I don't know if I stream tomorrow. Maybe. Otherwise, I see you Monday, maybe? Yeah, good night, gamers.